Looking for the best small business hosting solution? You've probably come across HostPapa and FastComet and you're wondering, which one is better for your small business? In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about both, so you can make an informed decision that fits your needs. Let's dive right into it. First up, HostPapa. Known for its affordable prices, HostPapa offers shared hosting, VPS, and even dedicated hosting options. But here's the catch: while it's easy on the budget, its performance might not always be up to par with some of its competitors. Speed, in particular, can be a bit slower on their shared plans compared to others, and for small businesses that need to stay competitive online, speed can be crucial. Next thing, let's talk support. HostPapa offers 24/7 support, but honestly, it can be a hit or miss. While they do provide phone, chat, and email support, the response times sometimes leave much to be desired, especially during peak hours. For small businesses that rely on customer service to fix issues quickly, that can be frustrating. Now, moving over to FastComet. FastComet also offers a range of hosting services, but they're particularly well regarded for their performance. Their SSD-based servers offer faster speeds, and their uptime is solid, typically around 99.9%. If your small business relies on an excellent user experience, the faster load times FastComet offers could be a big win for you. Next thing, pricing. FastComet tends to be a bit more expensive than HostPapa, but here's the thing: you get what you pay for. While HostPapa offers a more affordable entry point, you might end up paying extra if you want things like better performance or advanced features. FastComet includes a lot of extras in their base plans that HostPapa makes you pay for separately. The fourth thing to consider is features. HostPapa offers a free domain for the first year and has a good number of email accounts and website builder tools. However, FastComet goes one step further with a lot of premium features, including Cloudways CDN integration and free daily backups. If you're building a business that needs scalability, FastComet's additional features could save you money in the long run, rather than paying for them as add-ons with HostPapa. Lastly, security. Both HostPapa and FastComet take security seriously, but FastComet really shines here. They offer free SSL certificates, daily backups, and extra security measures like HexScan. HostPapa provides SSL certificates, but often charges extra for more advanced security features, which can be frustrating when you're just getting started with a small business website. So, which is better for small business hosting? Honestly, both HostPapa and FastComet offer solid services, but there are some trade-offs. HostPapa can be a great budget option if you're just starting out, but if you're looking for better performance, security, and features right out of the gate, FastComet seems to be the more solid choice. Now, both of these options are good, but after trying them myself, if you want a better alternative that really covers all bases when it comes to small business hosting, I recommend checking out the free trial link in the description below. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits available only to our viewers. You won't regret it.